When the English tongue we speak, why is brick not rhymed with weak? Won't you tell me why it's true we say so but also feel? And the maker of this verse cannot rhyme his horse with worse. Beard is not the same as herd. Chord is different from word. Cow is cow, but low is low. Shoe is never rhymed with full. Think of hose and dose and lose. And think of goose and yet of choose. Think of comb and tomb and bomb. Door and row and hoe and thumb. And since pay is rhymed with say, why not paid with said, I pray? Think of blood and food and good. Mode is not pronounced like could. Why's done but gone and long? Is there any reason known? To sum it up, it seems to me that sounds and letters don't agree.